Good morning, guys. It's cleaning time. Good morning, guys. It's cleaning time. My family and friends introducing the home store bathroom cleaner. This is very good, but before we will do that, we need to protect our skin. Make sure you have your gloves so you will not have skin irritation or something. So wear gloves. If it is really stronger, you need to use heavy gloves, but this one is okay. So I'm gonna show you the home store bathroom cleaner. This is very good. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. There's another one for the shower. You just have to spray foam and then wipe it. You're gonna use it. You have to shake it first, and then you spray in on your dirty tubs or toilet bowl or anything you want to clean. You have to spray. So this is the area that's dirty. It comes out like blue. The foam comes out blue, and then when it cleans, it come out yellow. I mean white. Sorry. So you'll be like this. See that? Some sections I spray at first it was like blue, and then as it cleans it'll become white. Look at this. And it smells so good because this is supposed to be citrus smell or citrus scent. So I'll show you in a little bit. Look at that, my friends. It looks good. It's nice and shiny. It looks good. Look at this. As long as you clean it good, it will look good. So this one, it says it will kill 99.9% of germs, sanitizing in 20 seconds. Kills most of germs, eliminates odors, prevent mold and mildew. So that, my friends, the mirror looks like it's not a mirror. It's nice and clean. You can see imperfection on our faces, and it's just good. And I will recommend the home store foaming super bathroom cleaner from the dollar store. My family and friends, I will introduce to you heavy foam shower cleaner, and this is the home store. This is very good. It smells so good after you clean. And then I use this. After I clean the toilet with the Pine Fresh toilet bowl cleaner. It says long lasting freshness as it cleans. It helps fight toilet rings, help prevent buildup. And this is with bleach. So I'll show you. Here's another toilet bowl. I put more of the Pine Fresh. So every time you flush, it smells good. And don't get confused because the other toilet bowl I show you, it was yellow. I have like 4 bathrooms in this house. So I have blue, I have yellow, and we also have white. So don't get confused because you might say like, what? The yellow bowl turns into white? No, that was just the color of the toilet bowl. I clean with the heavy foam, I just put this one, the Pine Fresh So every time you flush, it smells so good. It already smells good after I clean with the heavy foam, and now it's every time you flush, it just smells so good. And one thing important is with bleach. So this is really good. It says I'll show you.